Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 1. Perkenalkan, nama saya Alif.
Saya Fahri. Saya Aldan.
Saya Bibi.
Enjoy the video.
Hello my friends, right now we are in Sekolah Ndeso in Kedamean, Gresik. This place is traditional school where we make traditional foods and drinks. This place have an awesome village vibes that fits into me. And without wasting your time, I will show you the entire video. Enjoy. Okay guys, me and my team are going to make a pepes, or we call it botoan in Japanese, and we will guarantee that our pepes or our botoan is delicious. So here's the step. So the ingredients are shown on the screen, and that's a lot, and we got the bonus one. Okay, then let's go to the process. The first one, we got to slice a tofu into a dice shape. And some tip, to make the orange leaf not bare, we must cut the center of the leaf. And the next thing, we will blend some onions, a big chili, and garlic, and another one. Okay. Oh, I forgot that we add some onions and garlic. I think 2 of them. So the next thing we are gonna do is mix the grated coconut, the tempeh, and the tofu to the spice, and then we mix it until it's good. And after doing all of that, we gotta do tidy up and let's cook it.
One eternity later.
And finally, after all of that steps, we can actually eat it. Here's the footage when I'm chilling and eating the pepes. And unfortunately, that's the entire video. See you in the next project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Kameramen juga.
Iki Intan nggak apa-apa ini.
Dikeprek Pak.
Digebrak baru.